Hi, this is Kathy from Gadget Stop 321, and in today's video, I'm going to be playing with my Victorinox Venture Pro again. I'm going to be testing the ferro rod, or the fire steel that they call it, that comes with the Pro version. You can see I've already been playing with it a bit, and today I'm going to be testing the fire steel with different types of fire starting material. I'm going to begin with some dry grass and leaves, which I think will be easily accessible. And next, chapstick on a cotton ball has been recommended for starting fires. And while I'm at it, I'll also try some petroleum jelly on a cotton ball. And finally, I've also heard that dryer lint makes a good fire starter. The notebook I'm using is a Lockbee pocket journal, and the pocket notebook I have in here isn't the Lockbee journal that came with it. I've got it tucked away here in the back. It's got nice Tomoe River paper. I'm using a moleskin pocket notebook. I've had good luck with these. The paper in these, at least the grid notebooks, tend to be better quality than some of the larger moleskin notebooks. You see, I had no bleed through here, and I've tested several different pens and inks, no bleed through. And I've used a few of these notebooks, and I haven't run across one that was bad. The pen I'm using is my Lilliput Brass. It's got a stainless steel fine nib, and I've got it inked up with Kaweco Palm Green. Before I head outside, there's been a lot of discussion about how rattly the knife is in the plastic sheath, and yeah. But I'm going to test and see how rattly it is in each carry configuration actually on my belt. Okay, I added the paper bag to my list. And with my knowledge and skill with the tools that I was using today, I discovered that dry grass, dry lawn clippings, leaves are not the best for igniting with the ferro rod. They're good as fuel for the fire once you get it started, but not so much for the initial fire starter. The cotton balls with chapstick worked excellent, as well as the cotton ball with petroleum jelly. Excellent. The dryer lint, surprisingly, kind of scary, was also did really well. Didn't necessarily flame up as much as the chapstick and the petroleum jelly. It was almost an invisible fire. Again, that's kind of scary, but it was very hot, and I feel like it would ignite other things like grass and leaves that could then get your fire going to ignite some wood. And I took out all my supplies out there in a paper bag, and the paper bag, I had had to have some patience with it, but it did eventually ignite. Not as easily as the chapstick and petroleum jelly, but those results were interesting. I was kind of surprised. I thought grass and leaves would ignite easier than they did. So that just goes to show you it's good to have a tube of chapstick on hand or some petroleum jelly or both. A little thing of petroleum jelly like this would make quite a few fires. Really, the tube of chapstick would too. You saw how little it took to ignite that cotton ball. And petroleum jelly would also be good to have on hand for wounds. So two good things to have on hand when you're going to be going outdoors and maybe needing to make a fire. All right, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.